Ngani ang ganahan ati open, pwede malangot.
So I'm here at the 2014 Survey Fest here in Gumasaglan, Sarangani Province. Sama ko si Juana at si Kia Takashi. So magsa-survey kami ngayon.
Magro-roll ka na. I-roll mo lang sa matatapat para sa inyo. Kaya simulan na natin ang pag-roll. And sir, good luck po. Mga katropa, i-roll mo na ang ruleta. Go! 1, 1 review. Okay. Klaro ha? Okay. Ito yung 1. Ito-twist natin. Sampo. 1, 2. Sinong wala sa pila? 10.
Unsa naman ni ang katropang beams? First 5?
Oo, kailangan kasi may mga ayan, ang premium items po. May claim po natin dito lang. Ayan sa my tech booth. Eto, at this point of time, kailangan na
word on the street that it bright like a gator. I already know it shake like a stone.
Klaro ko eh.
Okay, I am Ralph. I am the one in charge of the marketing and communications of Sarbay Fest. And I'm here to say the good news about Sarbay Fest. Okay? 3 years before, we had around 30,000 attendees. Last year, we had around 70,000 plus attendees. Do you know what's the number this year? What? 1 million? Are you sure? Ladies and gentlemen, it's 100,000 plus mark. Everybody, a round of applause. Alright, that's one achievement, okay? Before, there was around 3,000 likes on Facebook. Sino may Facebook dito? Taas na kamay! Everyone has Facebook? Sure. Okay. Last year, there was around 7,000 plus likes on Facebook. Do you know how many this year? Huh? Ladies and gentlemen, we're hitting 13,000 mark likes on Facebook. Okay, can I hear a round of applause? Actually, we have everyone to thank for this success on behalf of the city team, in behalf of the Sarangani government. You guys made us the biggest beach festival in Mindanao! And that's big already, no, for the record. Can we hear people coming from General Santos City? Yay, General Santos! How about from Davao City? Wow! Ang daming taga Davao. Mga Bisaya. How about Cagayan de Oro? Cotabato. Are you sure taga Cotabato ba? Alright. How about Tigos? Ayan. How about Tiombo? Pwede na rin. How about? Ha? Ano? Tapos na, di ba city ko yan, nakainom ka na eh. Idroga play. Visayas! Okay, yay, marami. How about Luzon? Mga taga Manila. Okay? We have tonight vloggers coming from Manila. Alright? Vloggers coming from Manila. Some of them are my friends right now. PinoyTravelJunkie.com, Pinoy.com, Mindanao.com, and more. And they said, this is the best beach festival in the Philippines! Agree ba kayo? Doon sa likod? Okay. No? And right now. Okay, wait. But before that, I want to hear you guys screaming and doing the chant of Sarbay Fest. All together! Sarbay Fest! Sarbay Fest! Sarbay Fest! Sarbay Fest! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Pag yung babae, 17 years old bumaba, ang napis nilang pwede bumalik dahil bata pa. Hindi pa niya alam ang pinapasok ng ulo. Muli! Pag ang babae, 18 years old pataas, may kalayaan kahit saan. Maganda na yun! Okay, ilan mo ka na? Bigay ko mamaya. Sino mag-shower o mag-ano? Okay, huli pa tanungan. May boyfriend ka o asawa?
Ay po, asawa!
Ganyan talaga yung babae, para lang mga score.
Sigurado na? Wala, katuwa lang. Ikaw, kung hindi naman tayo dito, huwag na lang sabihin sa asawa niya.
Yeah!
Ito mangyayari, pipiliin ako, pwede mo kuhalik kang kahit saan. Huwag mo lang kasalangan. Thank you very much. Sige, salamat, Dave. Nasa naman!
Tonight presented to you by the provincial government of Sarangani. There's a survey 2014